Hey, I'm just setting up the project for now. What I will be doing. So, we'll be doing something like the following. I will create a Todoist and Trello app. If you don't know what Trello or Todoist is, they are basically like productivity apps. One's like a drag and drop thing to organize what you'll be doing, what you have done, and the other is more like a calendar app, more like what will I be doing today. The other more like organizing your thoughts. Okay, I'll create a repository for this. Now this will be named Trello Todoist and Trello Todoist app. This will be a public repo, so I'll just create it and I'll git init. Now I'm initiating a Git repo in my project. I will add a readme. And now let's open up Visual Studio Code. Already have a change made. This is an integration with GitHub. To do app. Now Trello first Todoist app. Now let's see. Let's set up our project here. To do. Let's organize folders. Let's organize project. Let's probably make the server first, and then I'll be making the next JS frontend, Node.js backend, and then we'll deploy it. Okay, so first let's just add this readme, and let's go here, let's just add this. Let's open up a terminal window, and now that we have a terminal window here, we can just add this as a remote repo and git push, set it as an upstream, origin, master. Now, how will I organize this? Well, I'll be having two separate parts, the Node.js server, and I'll have separate the client side. So we'll be having the server and we'll be having a client. Now in each of these there will be different things. Okay, now let's clear. Let's first cd into our client and npx create. This is basically a template for creating a Next.js application. If you don't know what Next is, it is it's basically a server-side React framework. Although now you can also do it pretty well for static pages, so it's the best of both worlds, honestly, with the latest updates. And it just provides a bunch of features out of the box for you to use. You can see it here: server rendering, static exporting, SCSS in JS, your setup, fully extensible and ready for production. So pretty cool, pretty awesome. And this is what I'll be using. I'll be also using Node.js. If you know what Node.js is, it's a JavaScript runtime for building backend JavaScript. And for database, I'll be using MongoDB Atlas, and it's a pretty efficient. It's really good, I guess, to integrate with Node.js. It's pretty efficient. It's pretty easy to use. Can be hosted pretty much anywhere. So, well, I'll be using that. Now, let's actually start making our application. Now, we've already started basically running this npx script, which basically creates this template for us. And in our server, we will be also making an Node.js. So first, every time npm init/y, and this will create a package.json where we will then install our dependencies. So now, what do we need for dependencies for this project? Well, we'll definitely need Express. I'll probably be using not Axios, because we'll not be really doing get requests, I think, at least. Well, and for now, probably MongoDB. I think, at least, probably. I will be using, maybe, I'm not sure if I will be using MongoDB only for the Node.js driver, or if I'll be using Mongoose, which is like for you to model your data, but it becomes also less efficient, which may become a problem. Or maybe I'll just use SQL. I don't know. Let's just check something out. Well, for now, let's try to use let's make some authentication first. Maybe we can